Welcome back to our channel. I'm teacher Cedric. Today, let us have a look at another NMOS questions from the year 2015 special round question 18. In the following equation, each letter represents a distinct digit. 5 times ABCDEF equals 6 times EF ABCD. And given that B equals 2 and D equals 0, find the 4-digit number FACE. Well, for this type of question, naturally, we would like to express this ABCDEF and EF ABCD as the place values that we have learned during our lesson. But in this case, there are so many letters from A to F, 6 letters. So we will get 6 terms. Now, that's way complicated than necessary. So instead, let us spend more time and investigate this equation more carefully. Let's see. We have A, B, C, D, E, F on the left and E, F, A, B, C, D on the right. So the letters are not distributed randomly on the right-hand side. Instead, this EF simply put at the front here on the right-hand side. To make it more obvious, let me highlight them. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. We have E, F, A, B, C, D. So instead of expressing these two numbers as 6 letters, we can do this by grouping them up. So we can write A, B, C, D, E, F equals A, B, C, D times 100 plus EF. EF, A, B, C, D equals EF times 10,000 plus A, B, C, D. And to make it more obvious, I can call this number X and this number Y. And this would greatly simplify our calculation. So from this equation, we can get this. 5 times 100x plus y, which is this number here, equals 6 times y times 10,000 plus x, which is this number here. And we can easily solve this by going through this process. And at the end, we would obtain y times 59995 equals x times 494. Now, we can still further simplify this to y times 4615 equals x times 3838. So we get this equation right here. Now, even though we have 2 unknown variables in this equation, we can't find the exact value for x and y yet. But at least from this equation, what we can get? Very good. From this equation, we can obtain the ratio between x and y, which would obtain this one. And let us check. We know for a ratio, the inner terms, the product of inner terms, would equal to the product of the outer terms. So y times 4615 on the left-hand side equals the products of the outer terms x times 38, which is correct. So now we have found the ratio of x and y. And we can give this table. For example, when x equals 4615, y would equals 38. And since this is simply the ratio, we can multiply this ratio by 2 to get 9230 to 76, which still gives us the same ratio because we simply multiply on both sides by 2. Now, do I still have to multiply these numbers by 3? Should I go on this list? And the answer is no, because if I multiply this number by 3, then I will no longer get a 4-digit number. Now that x equals ABCD, this x must be a 4-digit number, as well as y, and must be a 2-digit number. So these are the 2 only possibilities for x, ABCD, and y, EF. So there are 2 cases. Which one is the final answer? Now don't forget, and the question states that B must equal to 2 and D must equal to 0. So let's see which case will correspond to this condition right here. 4615 will correspond to B equals 6, so then this one is not possible. And 9230, B equals 2, that's good. D equals 0, that's good. So we're only left with this possibility right here. And since this is the only possibility, then we know A, B, C, D, E, F, and it must equals 923076. So what is the 4-digit number FACE, F-A-C-E? That will be 6937. Then again, to recap this question, we say that when it is very complicated to split this type of problems into this type of equation, where it would involve a lot of letters, we can try to investigate the numbers to see if there are any terms that we can group together. And in this case, we can group them in two groups. One group, ABCD, and another group, EF. And from there, we can greatly simplify our calculation and arrive at this relation here, which seems quite complicated, a bit difficult to obtain the exact value for x and y, but there's no need to worry, because from this, we can still get the ratio, and the ratio would help us narrow down the possibilities. And combining with the condition given by this question, we arrived at the final answer, FACE equals 6937. Now, if you would like to learn more about NMOS, RI, and SMOPS question, make sure you follow us on our WeChat group and WhatsApp group. And if you find this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, share this with your friend, and I'll see you soon.